Hello, I just want to show you how I build my smoke alarm, both smoke and gas. Here's an LCD display, and here's the MQ sensor. Here's the Arduino Nano, our buzzer, variable resistor to control the contrast of the LCD, and here is the BC547. This is a transistor, and this is a resistor, 1K resistor. I use this 1K resistor from pulling signal from digital output pin 12 of the Arduino Nano. As you can see, from the Arduino Nano down to the base of the BC547. Then I grounded the collector, then send the emitter to the cathode of the LCD, so that once the light is on and once there is no smoke detecting or any gas detecting, the LCD light will go off in order to save our battery and also control the buzzer. So it's time to power up the gas alarm. So here is the USB port for the Arduino. Here's the USB port for the Arduino. Just plug in your USB to it. And you can see the LCD is on. When it's showing calibration, it will take 30 seconds to calibrate. So you can see calculated the resistance of the calibration done. Java College of Technology, and group 6. We are group 6. So you can see the LED just went off. So showing you sensing smoke 0 ppm. So now I'm going to move it to my kitchen to detect the gas in the kitchen. So as you can see, right now I'm in my kitchen. I've positioned the MK tube beside the burner where the gas always come out, and here is the LCD display sensing in smoke. So all I have to do is to turn on the cylinder, then right here to turn on the gas, and let's see what the PPR of the gas will be. But once it is more than 1000, the alarm should come on. Let's see. You can see the alarm is on, sensing about 3262 ppm. So I turn up the gas. As you can see, the alarm is off. Yeah, friends, here's the finished product of the smoke alarm. You can see the MQ2, the LED indicator, and the LCD. So as I said, there's the final output, and we have the power button and the charging ports. So let's turn it on and let's watch it calibrate for 30 seconds before we do our last test. As you can see, the indicator light is on and it's calibrating. You can hear the buzzer will beep for 30 seconds. So the calibration is done. You can see the LCD sensing smoke 0 ppm.